Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you 4 ways on how to clean your PC to make it run faster, starting step by step. So without wasting time, let's get started. So before we get started, I recommend going to this website and download a software called CCleaner. To make it easier for you, I will leave the link to the website in the description below. And don't worry about paying for this software. It is totally free and there's no payment needed, unless you're interested in getting the full version. Also, make sure to pause this video once you're done downloading the software. Okay, now moving on, I'm going to assume you downloaded the CCleaner, so let's get started cleaning our computer. Go to your Start menu and left click the Start icon to open up the menu and type in %temp% and press Enter. This will open up a folder where all the temporary files are located that comes from the internet. All these files will be one of the main reasons why your computer is running slow by taking up a lot of space. So let's get rid of all of them. You can easily highlight the files in the folder all at once by pressing Ctrl and A key at the same time. Once everything is highlighted, press the Delete key or right-click the highlighted area to bring up a menu and left-click Delete and then delete everything. Now you might get a pop-up like this indicating that a file or folder is in use. Just put a check mark in the empty checkbox, then click Skip. If there's a second pop-up box like this, just click Continue. And that's pretty much it for the first step. Let's move on to the second. Again, go to your Start menu and left-click the Start icon button to open up the menu and type in Disk Cleanup and press Enter. Once the disk cleanup is open, make sure your C drive is selected, then click the OK button. Don't be afraid to check mark all these boxes. This is going to free up a lot of your space to make your PC run a little faster. So go ahead and check mark all the boxes in the list, then click OK. So now we're done with the second part. This is where the CCleaner comes in next. And again, I'm going to assume you have this software installed into your computer. So for the third time, go to your Start menu and left-click the Start icon button to open up the menu and type in CCleaner. Then press Enter to open the software. Once it's open, there will be 6 tabs on the left side, but we're only going to open 2 of them. So click on the second tab that has the broomstick icon. On this tab, you will see 2 tabs labeled Windows and Applications with a few empty checkmark boxes. I recommend leaving the selected and unselected checkmark boxes as default. Don't mess around with them unless you understand what you're doing. So just ignore them and leave them as default, then go to this button where it says Run Cleaner and click it. Then press Continue in the pop-up box. You will now see a green bar going from 0 to 100%. Once it reaches 100, move on to the third tab that's labeled Registry, then left-click the blue button that's labeled Scan for Issues. Once the scanning is done, go down to the button that says Review Selected Issues and click it. Now the CCleaner is going to ask you if you want to create a backup. Just click No, then click Fix All Issues, then you're done. After that, close the CCleaner. So on the final step, we're going to defrag our computer. So one last time, go to your Start menu and left-click the Start icon button to open up the menu and type in Defrag. Then click on Defragment and Optimize drive to open it. Once it's open, make sure your C drive is selected and click on Optimize. Now this might take hours depending on how bad your computer is at this point. But once the defragging is done, go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're back online, you might notice a positive difference on your computer speed. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you think this was helpful in making your computer run faster, please give this video a like. And if you want to support my channel, please hit that subscribe button. But anyways, take care. See you next time. Peace.